Coordinating conjunctions are used to connect two independent ideas. For example, Omar went to the mall and bought a new computer. I slept a lot, but I feel tired. We can go to the beach, or we can go to a water park. I forgot to set my alarm, so I was late for school. The most common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, and so. Each have a different purpose. And is used to add things. For example, I like apples and bananas. I play football and I play tennis. I studied a lot and passed my exam. But is used to introduce a contrasting idea and or an unexpected consequence. For example, I like apples, but I don't like bananas. I play football, but I don't play tennis. I studied a lot, but I failed the exam. Or is used to introduce an alternative. For example, do you want an apple or a banana? We can play football, or we can play tennis. We can go to the cinema, or we can go bowling. So, is used to introduce a result, effect, or consequence. For example, it was raining, so I took an umbrella. I missed the bus, so I walked to school. The car wouldn't start, so I was late for work. When using coordinating conjunctions, sometimes we need a comma. And sometimes we don't. We use a comma when each clause can be a sentence on its own. For example, I like pasta, and I like pizza. I like pasta. I like pizza are two complete sentences. Therefore, a comma is needed. A comma is not needed when we say, I like pasta and pizza, because pizza is not a sentence on its own. Let's look at another example. Do you want to read a book or watch TV? Does this sentence need a comma? No, it doesn't, because watch TV is not a question on its own. Do you want to read a book, or do you want to watch TV? Does this sentence need a comma? Yes. Because do you want to read a book, and do you want to watch TV, can both be questions on their own. Now that we have learned how to use some common coordinating conjunctions, let's test ourselves. The sentences below have a missing word. They are coordinating conjunctions. Pause the video and write down what you think they are. Then return to the video to see if you were correct. Let's see if you were correct. I like the colors blue and green. Would you like tea or coffee? My alarm didn't go off, so I was late for work. I like pasta, but I don't like pizza.